Does Family Link show your screen? No, Google Family Link does not allow parents to see their child's screen in real time, access screenshots, or record screen activity. It's designed with privacy in mind, adhering to regulations like COPPA. The Children's Online Privacy Protection Act restricts invasive monitoring of minors. The focus is on monitoring app usage and setting limits, not direct screen surveillance. Family Link primarily tracks app activity on Android devices. This includes which apps are installed on the child's device. It monitors how long each app is used and tracks app launches to provide detailed usage reports. Family Link also shows which apps are blocked or restricted by parental controls. Parents receive reports summarizing this usage data, helping them understand their child's app habits. However, Family Link does not capture content within apps, such as messages or photos, unless shared through Google Photos or other linked services. Beyond app tracking, Family Link offers several key features to help parents manage their child's device usage. Parents can set screen time limits to control how long their child can use the device each day. Parents can manage which apps their child can download from the Google Play Store, ensuring age-appropriate content. Family Link allows parents to see their child's location to ensure safety. It integrates with Google Home for voice-controlled limits, such as setting a 30-minute timer on games. Family Link has expanded to Chromebooks and select smart TVs, providing broader device control. In March 2025, Google introduced Family Link AI Insights, which uses machine learning to summarize app usage patterns, such as identifying if a child is spending more time on educational apps. This does not include screen viewing. It simply aggregates anonymized data. In 2025, Family Link implemented significant privacy enhancements in response to regulations like GDPR and CCPA. These changes prioritize user consent and data control. These enhancements were driven by privacy laws, including the EU's General Data Protection Regulation and California's Consumer Privacy Act. Parents now need to explicitly opt in to share their child's location, ensuring consent is clear and informed. Data retention policies became stricter, with activity logs automatically deleting after 30 days unless parents explicitly choose to keep them longer. Parents gained access to a dedicated privacy dashboard where they can easily manage and control what data is shared with Family Link. Family Link works best on Android devices, with limited support for iOS through a web interface. It requires both parent and child to have Google accounts for setup and functionality. Children can request app approvals or screen time extensions, giving them some control. It may not fully monitor all non-Google apps, leaving some activities untracked. Integration with third-party platforms is limited without additional tools. Privacy advocates emphasize that Family Link's lack of screen viewing is a positive aspect, preventing excessive surveillance. Child psychologists suggest that app activity data can help establish healthy digital habits, but caution against over-reliance and potential impacts on trust. The future of parental controls emphasizes AI-driven insights that analyze usage patterns to provide helpful summaries and alerts. Privacy-focused design ensures child consent and transparency in any monitoring features. Upcoming versions may offer optional supervised screen sharing, but only for educational purposes with explicit child permission. The parental control market is expanding rapidly, with Family Link maintaining a strong position thanks to Google's integrated ecosystem across devices and services.